Okay, this is a video on how to use a protractor. What you need is a pencil. I'm actually going to switch mine. A piece of paper or whatever you're drawing on, and a protractor. And this is a protractor right here. A protractor is a tool that you can use to measure angles. So if you're really crazy about the angle of something, you can use this to make accurate angles. So I have on my paper right here a circle, and it's not the most perfect circle in the world, but it works. And then it has an X or plus sign in the middle. Okay, I'm going to make this into a little pizza. Okay, maybe I'll draw the crust right now. Okay, and this is going to be an 8-slice piece of pizza. Right now I only have 4 slices, but I want 8. This is going to be a little bit of a math lesson. This right here, this line, and this angle is 90 degrees. This one right here is also 90 degrees. And then this one on the bottom right here is also a 90-degree angle. This one right here, the last one, is also 90 degrees. In order to get 8 slices, I'm going to have to cut each and every one of these in half. So to get a half, you're going to divide 90, okay, divided by 2. So 90 divided by 2 is, let's see, well, actually, no, that's not what I want to do. I don't know what I'm doing, sorry. Half of 90 is 45 degrees, and we can check this by adding 45 plus 45, so 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, so that's 90 degrees. So we want to get a 45-degree angle. If I'm using my protractor, the way to start is you're going to line up your line, this center line, with this right here, and then this. This will just make sure that that line is straight, completely straight. Okay, and then I'm also lining up this vertical line with this little dash in the middle. And I'm actually going to zoom in really quick so you guys can see a little closer. Adjust the focus, hopefully that'll help. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. So if I'm going to get 45, what I can do is go on this side where the 10, 20, 30, 40, and then there's 50. I'm just going to make a little hatch mark on the half point in between there. And that'll be 45 degrees. After you do that, oh, I forgot, you also need a ruler. You're going to take your ruler and you're going to line up this line with the center point right here in the middle. Okay? And then I'll have 2 almost perfectly even pieces of pizza. Okay, and I can do the same thing for the bottom, but I'm going to flip my protractor over. You can also check to see if it's good by seeing if these 2 line up, as we're going diagonally. Now I've got 6 pieces of pizza. I need to do the next 2. You can use your protractor this way if you'd like. I'll just do both of these at the same time. Oops. Then I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to line these 2 puppies up. Okay, so now I have almost 8 perfectly even pieces of pizza. And I can add my pepperoni or whatever your toppings. This is just a video that shows you how to use a protractor. The important thing to know is to know these measurements, so how many dashes in between 0 and 10, and knowing where the center line is vertically, and then lining up the other lines with these bottom two. Okay. After that, you can get some pretty accurate drawings after you figure out what those things you need to learn are. So hopefully this helps you with your protractors.